Today we're gonna cook some protein curry. Hello everyone, welcome back in the Gluten-free Kitchen. My name is Adu and today we're gonna cook a really traditional Indian dish that is both vegan and gluten-free, and we'll need the following ingredients for it. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion diced, 1 large red pepper diced, 4 cloves minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 100 milliliters canned tomatoes, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, 500 grams canned chickpeas, 50 grams of chopped green olives, 200 grams of sweet corn, 200 grams dry soy slices, salt and pepper to taste, and a sprig of finely chopped parsley. The first step will be to soften up the soy slices.
We're going to add them to the boiling water and boil them for about 15 minutes. Then turn off the heat and drain them.
We're gonna squeeze all the water out of them.
And now we're going to take them out on a chopping board and cut them into cubes. We're going to add just a little bit of olive oil to the frying pan, spread it around, and then we're going to add the soy cubes that you need to season with salt and pepper and fry for about 5 minutes.
And now we're gonna take a non-stick frying pan.
We're going to add the olive oil, spread it around, add the onion, the garlic, the chopped olives, salt and pepper, the tomato paste and curry powder, and the ginger, the chopped tomatoes, sweet corn, and then the soy cubes. Pour in the coconut milk and the chickpeas.
And let the mixture boil for another 10 minutes. And now we're gonna turn off the heat, add the finely chopped parsley.
This recipe turned out absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you to tell me what you thought about it down in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week with a new delicious gluten-free recipe.